What's up, guys? I got a package in the mail today from Lost Dutchman Leather, and I wanted to do an unboxing and just kind of a quick first impressions review. I ran across this company on Instagram and was just really impressed with their product. It's a young guy that runs it. As far as I know, it's a sole proprietorship, but it's all handmade stuff, and I'm really excited to check this out. So let's dig into this here. Cool packaging, by the way. This is kind of cool. I'm not sure if this is hand drawn or not, but that's kind of cool. Fits in with the Mesa, Arizona vibe. Oh, and I just noticed this. Personal touch, customer service, very nice. Let's see what else is in here before I get to the main. Just a packing slip. All right, so let's see what's in here. This is kind of cool. They have this little drawstring bag. Sticker. I'm sure I can find a skateboard for that. So, and here it is. This is called the Finnegan Wallet. I don't know if you can see this. This is their burgundy color option, and I'm trying to get close so you can see it's got navy thread. You can pick the color and the thread on these, so that's kind of neat. It's really just a card holder, very simple, full grain leather. Got some business cards in here. Spread the word. But it's very nicely made, hand cut. The fit and finish is very, very nice on this. He's doing these all by hand. I think he's working on a machine built line also, but these are handmade. So and it smells amazing. Hold on a sec. I think this is supposed to hold 8 cards. I've got 11 cards here. Let's see if they squeeze in. They actually do. And if you're someone that doesn't carry cash or rarely carries cash, that is a very small everyday carry. Now, if you have less cards than I do, I've got stuff in here I could probably pull out. But if you have less cards, then you can always fold up some cash and put in there also. So this kind of, I have to show you this, is my driver's license. This kind of, this is kind of fitting. That's how happy I feel right now. So Nate, if you see this, thank you. Thank you for an excellent wallet. I really love this. Once again, Nate Walker, Lost Dutchman Leather. Check them out. Website is lostdutchmanleather.com. And they have several other card holders and wallets available too. So I'm sure you'll find something that fits your personal needs. They have larger versions of this that hold more cards. They also have more traditional wallets. and he does fantastic work. So the lead time on this one, I think, was about 3 weeks, give or take. It's worth the wait. It's worth the wait. It's handmade, guys. Come on. You got to give the guy a break, you know. He's not churning things out in a factory or an assembly line. He's making them by hand the old-fashioned way. So show him some love. Check out his stuff, and I don't think you'll be disappointed. Lost Dutchman Leather. Get it. God bless, guys.